Hey guys, today we'll be fitting the new Maxx hop-up for the SRS on my baby here. Right now I'm using the stock hop-up, so let's remove it. First of all, you remove these two screws, the plastic ones you use to adjust them left and right side. Then you have to untighten these 4 screws here. Not too much, a couple of circles is enough. Then you turn the safe from this side from lock to unlock and simply pull out the outer barrel. So let's put this aside. So now to remove the inner barrel from the outer barrel, you just need an Allen key. Unscrew this top screw only and just pull. Two more Allen screws. And it's out. As you can see on my rifle, I use air hop. It's an edgy barrel with a sniper or air hop patch. So let's go to Maxx. Very small screws here. Let's see this one maybe. Yep. Carefully remove this screw, both sides. So we can remove the C-clip. Very tight fit, but I like it. It's more safe. Now let's remove this pin. Be very careful not to lose any springs. Let's get closer. And just like that, you separate it. So there is an O-ring here. It would be easier if you use some silicone oil. Okay, seems like the knob is a bit longer. Or maybe we should just twist it in. Let's see. No, it's perfect. I had to twist it. You need to find the line here where the C-clip goes. Must also be careful so this one is in position. Let's find the small bits. Come on. So what are these? Let's find out. Dial to 0 position, okay, perfect. We have this backing spacer, goes here, okay, very nice. I'll be using some silicone oil on this. Just a bit, must be careful not to go in the hop-up. Okay. I'll use some silicone oil on the it's the SBA hop-up rubber. It's 70 degree. Come on, baby. Doesn't want to get in. Okay. I think it's in the correct spot. But to make sure, we have to install the C-clip and also check the alignment. One moment, guys. It has to be straight. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I like the result. Let's place it back to 0. It has to be back to 0 if we want to place back this arm. Place it this way first, this one. When it's in position, we push it down. We don't forget, of course, this one, the spring. Let's put some silicone there so we'll keep it in position. And then we place back this pin. Now we have those cap point screws, goes here. You can push the two parts of the hop up front and back, so you place them at the correct spot. Tighten it, but not that much, might do some damage. Don't forget the screws for the C-clips. Watch out not to lose them. We have spares, but why lose them? Okay, I think something is wrong. Let's untighten this one. Yep. So first install both screws and then tighten them. We'll not be needing any of the spares. I believe the knob that was already in the arm was like this one. I will be using 48, so we need where is it? Like this one. You can see this one is bigger, black one is smaller. So for heavy BBs you go with the big one, the orange. That was already in the arm, so I didn't change it. All these spare parts are not needed for now, so let's put them back in. Then what you have to do is check if everything is fine. We need some light here. One moment, guys. So the setting was 0. Where is it? Okay, there you go. Let's go to max hop up. Let's go to 10. Or maybe it's too much. Oh my god, this can hop any BB. Look at this. No, it's too much. So let's keep it this way. So now let's go back to assembly. So this one is ready. We have our edge barrel with the Maxx hop up. Let's put it back on our outer barrel. This Allen screw will be tightened and it has to be exactly on this green thing. Just check for alignment. One way I do this is that I use again my rifle. Screw this just a bit so it can fit, but I need the hop up to be moving. So when it goes here, let's see. Okay, did you see that? It almost self-aligned. Go and tighten the lock screw so you find the correct alignment of the outer barrel. If you can lock that, then it's straight. So it's there. That's the exact spot you lock. Now very carefully unlock again. pull out the barrel, the outer barrel. And now we have the perfect spot for this Allen. Tighten it, but be careful not to over tighten it. So now I believe it's okay. Once more you check that everything is working correctly. You move the dial, everything moves. Okay, perfect. Let's place it back in. Locks, okay, but leave it last. You will go back to the other side, tighten the screws one by one, not over tighten, just place them in position. Now lock. See, now it doesn't lock, so we have to untighten again. A bit, just a bit. Try to lock. Maybe move the barrel a bit. Be careful, guys, don't push at all. Okay, now it's locked. Evenly tighten. It's very, very important. It's locked and it's absolutely ready. Look at this. Of course you can adjust it by hand. Perfect. Thank you, Maxx, for this product. Guys, I will have a link in the description. Go buy it. Thank you.